As explained at the beginning of this course, restorative practices enable people to restore relationships, resolve conflicts, and build community in proactive and positive ways. Restorative practices involve interventions when harm has happened, but it can also be used to prevent harm and conflict by creating a sense of belonging, safety, and social responsibility within the community. Relationships are important. When an incident occurs, the focus is on the harm caused to the relationship and how to repair said relationship, rather than what rule has been broken and what consequences will be imposed. We use restorative justice to respond to harm that someone has caused and to find ways to repair that harm so that healing and change can take place. Restorative justice has many approaches when trying to solve an issue. In this video, we're going to talk about peer mediation. Peer mediation is a process where one or two trained neutral impartial peers help facilitating dialogue between parties that are in conflict and assisting in negotiating a resolution. The process is voluntary and the disputants can share the outcome of their agreements at all times. By using open questions, one party can find out how the other person feels while the mediator controls the setting. It gives everyone equal opportunity to express their side, allowing each party to understand what the other party feels and thinks, reducing assumptions, negative feelings, and prejudices. Peer mediation encourages mutual understanding, good relationships, and peaceful resolutions of conflicts. What's unique about peer mediation is that the mediation process can be carried out for and by the community members themselves, because anyone that has learned the process and is considered a neutral facilitator can thus participate in the process. In a school setting, peer mediation can provide an opportunity for student accountability. An entire school community gains value in learning how to mediate situations between peers. It is problem-solving by youth with youth. It is a process by which two or more students involved in a dispute meet in a private and safe place to work out their problems with the assistance of trained student mediators. Peer mediation is a 6-step process. In the first one, there must be a consent from all parties involved, including the mediator, to mediate the conflict. In the second one, mediators must allow all individuals the opportunity to tell their story, while identifying and understanding the multiple perspectives being discussed. On the third step, mediators must center the focus of the conversation on what the involved parties need in order to resolve the conflict. Our fourth step involves win-win solutions. Focus on creating resolutions that are specific, balanced, reasonable, and truly solve the problem. In our fifth step, we must consider the various solutions and determine the solution that best solves the problem. Our sixth and last step is create and sign an agreement. The involved parties collectively write out the established agreement and sign the agreement. Teaching individuals to become peer mediators and allowing this participation can help create an environment where people are empowered to manage and have autonomy over their own and their peers' actions. It is our hope that peer mediation is installed in every school and that all schools become more collaborative, student-centered, and with power-with approaches to resolve and repair conflicts and harm.